welcome back to Teardown, guys. And today we are going to be playing a base level or a base game map called Marina. It's a really cool map, and it's in like the base game, so you don't have to install any mods or anything. This car that I'm driving right now is a mod, but honestly, it's not much different than a muscle car. It honestly just replicates what they copy the muscle car, but they don't have like custom cars and stuff. I still like it. It's my favorite vehicle to play with. Muscle cars that you can just like drift around corners. Come on, everyone I get. Wow. How did it only do that? No, it's lost. Oh, yep. Are you still down there? Oh, it is. Interesting. Well, this map's pretty cool, if I'm being honest. I mean, there's a bunch of random cars. There's water everywhere. Coming down in the below if you want to see the campaign. There's already a blue campaign. And I know what to do with the water. And he gives you like a tank, and you're like, I don't need a tank. Your tank's useless. Ow. What happened to this truck? Did I knock something at it? Because I did not shoot this thing. It's accordingly still driving. Let's drop the left of it. Oh, come on. Why? Yeah. So we are going to push this van into the water first. That's the first step today. Push this van into the water at all costs. Okay, get in. And truck's still here. Oh, oh no. How's it doing on my truck? Yeah. Oh, is it the van? Oh, it's the van. Go back to the thing. Actually, right, I pushed it. There's no evidence except the box truck that's sitting there. Oh, yacht. Okay, we're just gonna... okay. Tap. Okay. Cannonball. Can I do cannonball? Where's cannonball? Oh, okay. Woohoo! It sucks, that cannonball. Laser. That's not perfect. It'll be a cut. Come on, what have we done it? Oh. I mean, we almost. Okay. Is that the last LP? Where's the last LP sending me to cut? again. This is cut. Is that it? Nice. We're just gonna oh, pirate. I see. That whole kind of half sink. Oh. The whole yacht's on unmobile condition. Oh, no wonder it doesn't turn. Such a surprise. Why is it sinking? Oh, I'm just gonna go under with it. Captain is going down with his yacht. Yep. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Teardown so far. We are going to be doing more stuff, but yeah. Tell me down in the comments below if you want to see more, like, cars, more, like, just tell me in the comments below what you want to see more. Do you want to see more, like shooting stuff, testing weapons, or do you want to see more cars? I like both a lot. I mean, cars get amazing weapons. Oh, it's not my car. Oh no. Wait, hold on. Oh no. Is this a bad idea? Tell me in the comments below if you think this is a bad idea. Yeah, it certainly was. We're doing it now. Now turning back. Come over here. Go. I should I pull the other way? Yes. The front bumper's dragging. Come on. Yes. Driving on the jog. Just gonna park right here at the pier and watch. Wait, what everything? That's impossible. Impossible. I literally sank the thing. One shot from shot. There we go. Where he came from, boat. Everything revolver. Shoot, RCs. What? Wait. Hold on. You can literally track stuff. Sorry, boat. We're just gonna have to go C4. And some plungers. And some C4s. Sorry, boat. So, do you think the car, oh, okay, I already see the car. I mean, its doors look blown off. Doesn't look like it's in the worst. Looks like it got T-boned. But other than that, the car, if you're looking at it from this way, you won't notice a thing. Totally. Or this way. No, not except you'll notice. Think boat. I said think. Okay, we'll spawn a new car. Nissan. Ooh. I didn't know I had this mod. Oh, I think it's on a advanced car pack, but I didn't know that you had this car. Oh, has it only taken like 10 minutes to go now? Oh, come on, like game. Come on, we're gonna turn zones restricted parking zone. Totally pretend that there's some crazy loot over here and we need it. Or should we take this car? This car looks better for hauling cargo. Stay open. Thank you. Okay, come on, we're gonna grab some, pile of rocks. Small rock. Okay, we're gonna load the rocks into the van. Because there's, oh gosh. Fight this thing. Okay. I get you don't like this, but you gotta stay open, okay? You too. Goes for you. It goes for you too. Stay. Good. Okay. Let's get all these rocks in. I'm talking to you. Okay. Let's load up all these rocks before I know. They can't notice we're were we hired? We'll totally pretend we were hired and we're not stealing the rocks. Okay, because they're totally spilled in the middle of the road, not just spawned right now. Yep, just cleaning this up. Wait, should we clear the oh, it's come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. You stay open. No. You stay open. Okay. Then you stay open too. Okay, we got it? Okay, got it. What do you do with this car? We're not gonna know except there's directions. Ooh, wait, what if we drive? We're just gonna go. Thanks for this. We're gonna go. Yep, there we go. They're not gonna notice that. They didn't hear the shotgun. Blast. We're just gonna grab our sledge out. We're gonna load up all these rocks into the truck. Or the van. Okay, well, they're not gonna notice a thing that the rocks are gone. They should be happy we're removing the rocks. Removing all these rocks. Let's just pretend we got all of them. This is boring. Okay, we're gonna lock doors. Oh? You know, they're actually staying close to this item, but that was gonna fall for a second. Come on. Quick pit stop. Gonna open one of the doors. We're gonna grab some of these planks. I don't know why I need planks, but we'll pretend we do, and what if I just shove them on top? There we go. I think I need a barrel. It's totally legit. I'll put this on top of the van. There we go. Ready? Drive! Oh, rocks over there. Okay. Go! We have... Come on, we gotta get to our boat, or... We have a boat, yeah, we totally have a boat. We gotta load up all the rocks. Oh. Come on. The cargo, okay. the rock. This was not gonna be bringing a nice van with us. Look at the car. This was not according to plan. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode today. Teardown is the most fun but chaotic game I've ever played in my life. Honestly, something like the destruction physics and tell me down below in the comments what your favorite game is. See you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe before you leave though. See you guys next time.